Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorial by Nocode Africa. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to build Nocode Africa's website. Yeah, that sounds funny, right? Yeah, we're going to be focusing on using Lovable in this tutorial to create a website for Nocode Africa. Now on the website will have like some very amazing features. I already wrote the prompt, and so I'm just going to go ahead and paste it here real quick, then we can read through it. Now, I did write the prompt in my own basic manner, and then I gave it to ChatGPT to expand it. I also recommend you do the same thing whenever you're trying to create a website using Lovable. Whenever you're trying to get a correct prompt for your website on this platform. So here is the title. Here is build a responsive website for Nocode Africa with the following features: course creation and learning platform. Nocode developers, instructors can sign up, log in and access a dashboard. From their dashboard, instructors can create, upload and publish video courses. Each published course should have its own course page with modules, lessons and a video player. Students can browse courses, sign up, enroll and watch tutorials. When a student completes a course, the system should automatically generate a downloadable certificate. Now, the second part is a marketplace for no-code services, a marketplace page where business owners can find and hire professional no-code developers. Each developer can create a service listing from their dashboard. Example, I build mobile apps, I create web apps. Now, clients can view profiles, read service descriptions, and hire developers. Now, the dashboards here, we're going to have instructor dashboard. We're going to have create and manage courses. That's under instructor dashboard. Create and manage courses, upload videos, set prices, and publish. Create and manage no-code service listings. Then for the students dashboard, we're going to have shows enrolled courses, progress tracking per course, access to certificates after completing a course. Now, these are the other additional requirements: modern homepage introducing Nocode Africa, sign up, login for students and developers, clean navigation for courses, marketplace and dashboard, fully responsive UI for both mobile and desktop. Now, this is the prompts that we are giving to Lovable, and with that, I'll just click on enter, and then we can start having our application being built for us. Now, here it says enable notifications. I'll go ahead and say enable always. Oh, no. I just clicked on the wrong thing. I clicked on always block. I will change that later. All right. So away from that, we're going to have, Lovable telling us what it is doing behind the scene, trying to create this platform for us. So it says here, I'll build a comprehensive Nocode Africa platform with a modern, vibrant design inspired by leading edtech platforms. Let me start by enabling the backend infrastructure, then create a beautiful design system with warm, energetic colors that reflect the innovative spirit of the no-code movement. Now, design direction: colors, warm sunset oranges, deep teals and vibrant accents, modern clean interface with smooth animations, professional yet approachable aesthetics, mobile first responsive design. Now, these are the first version features. Now, let me just click to allow this first of all, then we can continue reading. First version features: stunning landing page with hero section, complete authentication system with role selection, course catalog with beautiful cards, marketplace for no-code services, dashboard foundations for both roles, backend with user profile, courses and services table. Now, this is what we have in the first version features, which is as a result of the prompts that we provided Lovable. Now, we're going to build this project like real quick and see how far we can go. This is the part 1 of this course, where we build together a website for Nocode Africa. Now, this is actually going to be a website that we're going to be using for real. Yeah, we're going to be using this website to host courses created by other creators who are also no-code developers like myself. Then we're also going to have the section where clients can actually hire no-code developers from the platform. Yeah, then eventually I will just keep on modifying the platform to, become properly well equipped as a very useful no-code Africa platform. So we're going to just wait a little bit because it says here, now let me configure authentication and build the complete platform with a vibrant design system. So we'll wait for a very short time, and then after that we'll be able to have access to what it has generated. This is one of the best things that has happened so far to mankind, really. Yeah, being able to just write a simple prompt and then have a platform as amazing as Lovable create the project for you. So now it's no longer difficult to turn that beautiful idea of yours into a fully functional website that you can use in running your business. It's now very easy, and that's why I'm like, super forward with educating more people about how to use Flutterflow, to use Lovable to build this. So I'm actually like a powerful promoter of Flutterflow. I have always been teaching people how to build with Flutterflow. Yeah, Flutterflow is amazing, but here we are just focusing on Lovable, using AI to build a beautiful website. Meanwhile, just on the side, Flutterflow also has an AI instrument where you can use in building mobile applications by just writing prompts like this. Yeah, it's called Dreamflow. Okay, that's on the side. Now we have here, it says here, now let me configure auth and build the complete platform with a vibrant design system. Yep, it says here 6 edits made. Now let me create the landing page with a stunning hero section and update the routes. Now let me update the SEO meta tags for better discoverability. Okay, it's almost done. We're just gonna wait for a very short time, then after that we'll see the live demo here. We're going to also publish the very first version of this particular website in the same tutorial. So here it says, perfect, I've built a comprehensive Nocode Africa platform with features implemented. Now this is what it has created. Now backend, Lovable Cloud, complete database schema with user profiles, courses, modules, lessons, enrollment, certificates, and marketplaces. It has also done secure RLS policies for data production, auto confirm email for easy testing, profile creation trigger. Then for the front end, this is basically how it worked on the front end. Stunning landing page, authentication system with role selection, student instructor, courses page for browsing published courses, marketplace page for hiring no-code developers. That's what we have here. Then smart dashboard that adapts based on user role, responsive nav bar with authentication state management. Now this is a design system it used. Then what's next? Course creation flow. All right, add forms for instructor to create courses with modules and lessons, video upload, integrate these and all of this. Now this is what it has done so far. All right, that's what it has done so far. We're going to continue building it. Before we continue, I'll just go ahead and just scroll down here. Let's see what it has created so far. Nocode Africa, build without code, transform your ideas. Join Africa's largest no-code community, learn from experts, hire talented developers, and bring your digital products to life without writing a single line of code. Get started for free, explore courses. So we can click here to explore courses. There are no courses yet, so there will be nothing here. Let's come back to our landing page. Everything you need to succeed. Expert courses, hire developers, get certified, build fast. Now ready to start your no-code journey. Now that's what it's doing here. Now we're going to later on rework on the colors here because we have a unique logo for Nocode Africa. So we will add all of that when we are updating the platform. So it says here courses. All right, let's come back. Courses, we have become an instructor. All right, so here we can say we want to become an instructor. So I'm going to just really sign up real fast. So I'll just say here David Rock, then my email. I'm just gonna use my email, then I'm gonna come here and put a password. All right, now it says here I want to learn no code as a student, or I want to teach and offer services. So in this case, I'm gonna use one email, that's this particular one, for teaching, and then another email for learning, and then the other email for this. So I'm going to just go ahead and create an account because I want to just save it and keep it here. So now it says here browse courses. This is me signing up as a student. This is a student dashboard. I can sign out. It says here you haven't enrolled in any course yet, so I can browse courses. Then these are my certificates. Fine, it's very simple. All right, let's go out here and sign in. Let's come here to get started and sign up. I'm just gonna say Albert Einstein. All right, then I'll just use my other email, and then I'm gonna say teach and offer services as instructor. Now I'm gonna have this. I'm gonna just save it. All right, so this is it. It says here create a course. So I'm going to, this is my courses, and then these are my services. So this is the Nocode developers dashboard. So I can go ahead and just click to create a new course. Okay, to create course. It's not allowing me create any course yet. Add services is not allowing me to do that. So this is just like the UI. I'm not able to do anything right now. So I'm going to go ahead. It says here, what's next? These that. So what we're going to just do is I'll just say proceed. All right, now I've been able to see what it has done so far. So we have here, okay, I just told it to proceed, so we're gonna wait for a couple of minutes. Now it says I'll implement the course creation flow with video upload capability for instructors. Let me add storage, create the course management interface, and build the forms for adding modules and lessons. So it's going to create all of that for us, and then we're going to just look at it. So this is the part 1 of this tutorial. It's a free tutorial that I'm creating because this particular tutorial is just going to show you how I'm building the Nocode Africa website. All right, and then after this is ready, this is where you're going to be getting your courses. Yeah, and also if at all you're a teacher like me, you can actually put plan to create courses and publish them here on the Nocode Africa's website, while we use our marketing budget to get more students to learn from you. Okay, so because we actually need more teachers. So meanwhile, if you love this video and you love what we are doing at Nocode Africa, please just go ahead and hit the subscribe button and then subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and remember to like this video as well so that YouTube can recommend it to more people. Thank you very much. All right, so we're waiting for it to update this. Now it has done a couple of things. It says here course management. Now I can create a course. Perfect. Course title, description, this, and I create the course. Well, I haven't seen where I can add the video. All right, so let's just see. So it said, perfect, I've implemented a complete course creation and management system. The security functions are now fixed. There's one remaining security notice about leaked password protection. We'll work on this. This is an optional auth feature you can enable in your backend settings for additional security. What's new? Instructors can create courses with title, description, and pricing, full course management dashboards with published/unpublished controls, organized course modules, then module and lesson management, add structured modules to organize course content, upload video lessons with descriptions, automatic ordering and indexing, video storage with secure access policies, then video upload, direct video file upload to secure storage, public access for viewing, instructor only upload, organized by course and module structure. Now, so this is what has been done so far for us. My services, I cannot add services yet, so I'll go ahead and click to create a course. Let's say crude in okay, how to build a food delivery app without coding using Flutter Flow. Okay, so now this is in this course you will learn basically this. All right, so you will learn how to build. Okay, so the price here is going to be $100. Now I'm creating the course. Now perfect, the course has been created, so I can click here to manage the course. Now I can add the modules. All right, so if I come over to courses, for instance, it still says here that there are no courses. Okay, we will continue. Maybe we have not. Okay, yeah, we have not published it yet. So I'll come here and then click to manage the course. Then I'll click to add a module. Module is introduction to no-code development. Students, you will be introduced to no-code development. All right, then I'll just add this. So I just added a module. I can say front end development, no code front end development. I just say no code front end development. I can just leave it like this. No code backend development. All right, then no code database. Okay, so I think I'll stop there. So now I have I have like 4 lessons. Okay, so here I can just click here to add introduction to the platform, introduction. I'll just say introduction. All right, then here, this is where I'm supposed to select a video. All right, this is where I'm supposed to select a video, but I do not have a video right now to play here. So what I'm going to do is, real quick, I want a session whereby instructors can go ahead and upload a video. All right, they can upload a video directly, or they can just go ahead and upload a link. Maybe they can publish that particular video on YouTube for now, right? Because I don't have any short video on my MacBook, right? So, but I have lots of videos on the Nocode Africa's YouTube channel, which I could just like get a link. I could just get a simple link to one of the courses. Yeah, I can just get a simple link to one of the courses, and then with that we can just like demo it. So yeah, for instance, I'm copying a particular link from the recent reintroduction to Flutter Flow. All right, so that's like what I'm doing right now. So I'm going to just tell it here. I want instructors to be able to add a video to be able to add a video for their lessons using a YouTube URL from YouTube, using a URL from a video of a video already published on YouTube. Okay, so that's basically what I'm trying to achieve right now. So I'll go ahead and then just see how far I can go with this. So, and it says I want instructors to be able to also add a video for their lessons using a URL of a video already published on YouTube. Now that's what I want us to do. I'll add YouTube URL support for lessons alongside the existing file upload option. Now this is good. That means when we are trying to create a lesson here, real quick, we will be able to like add a URL. So what I'm looking at right now is maybe instructors can actually just publish their, okay, says here instructors can just publish their video on YouTube, maybe in a private mode or something, and then add it here, for instance. All right, or they just upload it. For now, and I just wanted that so that it can be faster. So I'm going to come here and add introduction. So introduction. All right, so then I can click here to upload file URL. Here is to browse, and then here is to upload file URL. I'll just go ahead and then this is giving me this. I basically want to copy a link. So yeah, this is the link. So lesson added. Perfect. Now this is another one here is no code front end. So I'm just gonna pick a random project on the Nocode Africa's website. Yep, I'm gonna pick a random front end, random video. So I'm doing that like right now. So I'm gonna pick these and say no code front end development. So I'll just click here and then paste. All right, so now we have two it says here, okay, this one has one lesson, this one has one lesson. Okay, so now we have these, and I think that's about it, right? Settings. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back to the dashboard. So I'm supposed to see let's click back here to go to the dashboard. So now when I go back to the dashboard, I've seen it here. I can click on publish. So course published. Now it's published, so I can go to the marketplace. Okay, this is for marketplace. I can go to the courses section. Then now I can see here how to build a food delivery app without coding using Flutterflow by Albert Einstein. Now I can click to enroll now. Okay, now I still can't enroll yet. I'll tell it to let me see what it said here. Course question this. Okay. Video upload. Continue with these. Let me tell it to do this. Continue with the next phases as seen below. Okay, so this is it. So I'm telling you to continue with the phases as seen below, which is certificate generation, build automatic certificate generation on course completion, then enrollment system, complete the student enrollment and progress tracking service, tracking. Then we have here service booking, add contact / hire functionality for marketplaces. So we have really burnt our credit so far. We're almost exhausting our free credit for the day. All right, so we have here our implement certificate generation enrollment system with course player and service booking functionality. So we'll just continue watching and then seeing what Lovable will create for us, right? So but so far so good. It has done something really remarkable. We have the courses here. We have the courses here. We have the marketplace here. Nothing is happening here. So here we have the landing page. Okay, so this is join this. That's not bad. Okay, so I can just do like this and come back here, go to marketplace, go to dashboard actually. So now it shows here published. The course, the price is $100. Later on we'll add a summary of the earnings of the instructor. We will add all of that eventually. So right now we just want to have a basic functionality for our platform, for the Nocode Africa platform. Yeah, this is going to be one of the biggest things so far in Africa, really. Yeah, because I am going all out to make sure that I educate so many people on how to build mobile and web applications without writing codes via the Nocode Africa platform. So here it says I'll implement certificate generation enrollment system with course player and service booking functionality. Let me read the files I need to modify and fix the build errors. Now let me fix the courses.tsx, then dashboard, marketplace, app files properly. So once it's done with that, I think we will have this particular screen reloading, and then we can have a fully functional online learning platform by Nocode Africa. Later on in the course of our class, we're going to update this and use the proper logo and use the proper colors too for our platform. Yeah, I hope that you're enjoying this, and so if you're enjoying it, please just go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Try to subscribe to this channel, because that way you will encourage us to continue doing what we're.
Want me to use ChatGPT to answer that?
Really sorry about that. That was my iPhone talking. Okay, so we have implemented a couple of things here. It says here, let me read the files I need to modify and fix the build errors. Now let me fix these. Implemented complete enrollment system with course player, automatic certificate generation, and marketplace contact functionality. Now let's go ahead and see if it has done that. Now these are the courses, right? Now we cannot enroll as an instructor. I think that's why should we enroll as an instructor? Okay, we're going to have to fix that. Instructors should not be able to enroll on their own course. Yeah, so we're going to have to fix that. So enrollment is there, so you can actually go ahead and click here. Welcome to another video tutorial by Nocode. You can actually click here to play it from YouTube. So here I can say mark as completed. This is one, that's this introduction. Then here I can click here to go to the next one. Okay, I haven't been able to see how to move to the next one. These are some bugs we need to fix. Yeah, this is where we're gonna fix some of the issues. All right, so but right now I can also mark as complete. Okay, maybe once I complete these, that's when I can click the next one. Okay, now I can't even move to the next one. Pop out these, close these. Okay, so I can't have access to these for some reason. Mark as completed. Okay, I don't know if they're the same link. Actually, I think I made a mistake and added the same link to both platforms, to both courses, or to both lessons actually. So this is the dashboard. Let me just come here real quick and see what I can do. So I don't have the option of editing these lessons, so for now we can just like let me see, we have a few credit left. Well, we have been able to do this, right? We've been able to do that. This works. So let's come here to dashboard, right, real quick. Now let's go to manage. I should be able to edit. Instructors should be able to edit their lessons and the courses they create. I think that's about it. Let me just put that out. So instructors should be able to edit their lessons and the courses they create. Yeah, once we can successfully ensure that this is done, once we can ensure that this is done successfully, we can move on to the next item in our application development. So here it says I'll add edit functionality for courses, modules, and lessons. Since manage courses.tsx is already large, I'll refactor by creating separate editing dialog components. Files I'll create, it's creating these. Files I'll modify, it's doing this. So all right, so we're still trying to get on these. We're going to be done with this very soon. All right, so it's going to make it such that we can modify the lessons that we add. And then there's this other part that I just noticed, the course settings. We don't have, okay, here it says edit course. Okay, so now we have these things here. So if you want to rename this, you can rename this. If I click this, I can rename these and add these. I can also delete it. All right, then for this one I can check the URL. The URL here is ends with SJ because I wanted to be sure that it's not the same. Okay, so here it's okay, so I mistakenly used the same URL. That was the reason why we had that problem. I suspected as much. So I'm gonna copy this. It was a random URL I wanted to use, but I ended up using the same so I'm gonna just update this real quick. So now I can update my lessons. I can update my lessons. I can edit the course itself by changing the price, changing the description as well. and then the settings here, I haven't been able to do that. So let's come back here, and then let's go to courses and then continue learning. Normally instructors are not supposed to be able to enroll on their own course. So here, when I clicked on this, it was able to bring me to reintroducing Flutter Flow. Then here, exactly, now this is how it's supposed to work. It's supposed to be this plays a different thing, and then this, it plays a different thing. So yeah, it's working. All right, so this is a random video. I just wanted to show that we can do two different things entirely. Now I can actually I can mark this as complete. Yeah, so it's completed. Okay, then come here, mark as completed. All right, so now I can't find the, okay, this is just completed. I don't have, okay, so this is completed. Adds new service, we don't have that. Let me just see what we have left. So let me see, we have created this so far. All right, what is missing right now is on this particular part, we need we actually want to implement the service part, service listing. So it's not allowing us to add service. So here it's, let's see what it said here on the next. So now this is enrollment system, service booking, add contact. So I'll tell it to implement service booking, add contact / higher functionality for marketplace services. So that's what I'm telling it to do now. Now we're gonna wait for some time for it to do its thinking, and then finish up with that particular part. So it says here, I'll implement a complete service booking system with email notification and inquiry tracking. First, I need you to set up resend for email notifications. Go to HTTP and do resend, sign up if you haven't already, validate your email domain at this, create an API key at this, and then send. So I'll implement a complete booking service booking system with email notification and inquiry tracking. So this is what it says, but we don't have enough of the time to continue this, and by time I'm talking about credits, we have just 0.1 credit. So we will continue this particular course in the next part of our tutorial. So yeah, we'll continue it very soon, and so I will just say bye for now and see you in the next part of this tutorial. But just remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel and then like this video as well. This is your own way of encouraging me to continue creating these courses. I told you guys that I'm back, and for real, I am really back. So encourage me by liking my videos and subscribing to the channel. Buy my course too on Udemy, really. And thank you very much. See you in the next part of this tutorial, and bye for now. Hello guys, welcome to another part of the course. This section just requires us to publish the website we have just built. All right, in the previous section we did like some very complex work, but this part now we just need to like publish it so that we can have it on a public domain. So I'm just going to go ahead and come here where we have publish your project. It's really simple. So we click here, and I'm going to come over to this place and edit it. So I want it to just be Nocode Africa. So I think we can make it to be one word, nocodeafrica.lovable.app. And then we'll just go ahead and then click to add some features here. Discover no code courses. Okay. No code courses. Hire no code developers. What else are we doing in the platform? Discover no code courses, hire no code developers, teach no code education. All right, so that's it. Now we should be able to add an image here. I will do that later. I don't have an image right now, really. I don't have an image. Let's come over here and see if we can have open ChatGPT. Let's just leave it for now. Okay, so we have that. So I'll change this later. Anyone with the link can access it. I'll go ahead and just save it. Then after saving it, I will hit publish. I'll later on update this. I'll get an image for this and I will update it. So I'll click here to publish and publish anyway. Oh, it says here, okay, so it's using it Nocode Africa Nexus. That's not what I want. You just shipped. Yeah, this is correct, but this is not what I want. All right, so let's go ahead and just click here to edit it. What I wanted was Nocode Africa .lovable.app. Then okay, I didn't check this, as at the time I did it I didn't check this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and then okay, this is the title. Now I'll just put here Nocode Africa. So I'll hit on publish. Okay, so far right now I think the application is published already. So here we have the link, and then we can now access. You can also access the platform from your end. Yeah, build without code, transform your ideas. So this is it. I will add the link in the description under the video, so you can also like check it out. But yeah, that's what we have done so far. We have the course here. You can enroll now. If you want to enroll, you need to sign up. So here I'm gonna sign up as a student, David Orog. Let me use a different name, Susan Michael. Then I'll use my other email address. Then I'll use a random password here. So I'll say in this case I want to be the first one was what? First one was teach and offer services, right? Yeah, this one, because I have to teach first before I can be a student. Like I needed teachers first before I can. User already registered. Okay, so here I'll just say student, then create an account. User already registered. Okay, now this is a bit confusing. Okay, let's see. Sign in. Oh yeah, we already did that. So sorry. Yes, we already did that. Now let me sign out. Get started. Yeah, I think this is student. This is student email. Yes, it is the student email. So this is student email. So my browse courses. Then we can click to enroll. And then you have access to the courses like this. So you go ahead and play it. All right, then mark as complete. It's 50% completed. Come here, mark as complete. 100% completed. That's what we have done so far, really. Then on the marketplace, you can't post any service yet. Nothing is happening here. So that's what we have implemented so far on our platform, and we will continue building it as we proceed. We'll continue building it as we proceed in building our technology. Yeah, so I will just go ahead and quickly reload this particular tab. Let me see. Okay, so we don't have any new credits yet. So daily credits resets at midnight. I think I will just leave it like this for now. Or is there anything else we can quickly do and exhaust this? I would like it to be 0. Add the marketplace. Okay, so it said this is basically what it wants us to do. Okay, so I think we'll just leave it for now, and then we'll continue in the next part of our course. All right, guys, take care of yourself, and we will continue soon. Bye for now.